Now we take some other question based on rationalization. Okay, let's see. Your question is simplify each of the following by simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Okay, by rationalizing the denominator. And your questions are, first part of this question is 5 plus root 6 upon 5 minus root 6, and second part of this question is 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 minus 3 root 5. Dear students, just as previous about that question, that question we discussed about some concept of rationalizations, and we discussed about some question based on simplification. Here, simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Now we take and solve the first part of this question. Let's see, dear student, this is one of the most important question for your syllabus. Now we take first part of this question and solve it. Dear student, first of all you write the given question. Okay, we have what? 5 plus root 6 upon 5 minus root 6. Dear students, in going to rationalizing the denominator, the first step is we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Dear students, here the denominator is what? 5 plus minus root 6, so its conjugate will be what? 5 plus root 6. So dear students, we must be multiply by 5 plus root 6 in both the numerator and denominator. Let's see. We multiply by 5 plus root 6 into 5 plus root 6 in both the numerator and denominator. We get what? Let's see. Here this is 5 plus root 6, this is 5 plus root 6, so we have as 5 plus root 6 whole square, and in denominator a minus b into a plus b, so we write as a square minus b square. So we get what? Let's see. Here this is a plus b whole square, so we split the given value based on the identity a plus b whole square. So we get what? A square means 25 plus b square means 6, because of root 6 square 6 na, plus 2ab, 2 5s are 10 root 6 upon, in denominator we have a square minus b square means 5 5s are 25 minus root 6 square is 6. Now we get what? Let's see. We get as 25 plus 6, that is 31 plus 10 root 6 upon 25 minus 6 as what? 19. What? 19. Now we get as 31 upon 19 plus 10 under root 6 upon 19. This is our required answer. Let's see. Yes, you can write in this way also. You can write just you both the answer is right. Okay, now dear students, this is the process. Okay, to convert the any number into the, this is the process of rationalizing the denominator of any fractions. Okay, so dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concept in that way. Now dear student, we take and solve the second part of these questions. Let's see. The second part is 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 7 minus 3 root 5. Look, here what I do, dear students, here same process apply. We must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Here the denominator is what? 7 minus 3 root 5. So we must be multiplying in both the numerator and denominator by 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay, now look here. What I do, we multiply 7 plus 3 root 5. The conjugate of this is what? 7 plus 3 root 5, and ray here as upon 7 plus 3 root 5. Now let's see dear student. Here they both are same, so we write as 7 plus 3 root 5 whole square upon, in denominator a minus b into a plus b, so we can write as 7 square minus 3 root 5 square. Now what I do dear students, now we simplify that expressions. Now we get as, let's see, here a plus b, apply a plus b whole square, so we get as a square means 7 square plus b square as what? 3 root 5 square plus 2ab means 2 into 7 into 3 under root 5. Okay dear student, now in denominator dear students, this is a square minus b square, so we get what? 7 7 is 49 minus 3 3 is 9 5 is 35. Now we get as 7 7 49 plus 3 3 is 9 5 is 45, 3 3 is 9 5 is 45 here, right? This is 45. Okay, 45 plus 7 2 is 14, 14 3 is 42, 42 root 5. Now in denominator we get what? 49 minus 45, 49 minus 45 we get what? Only 4. Now we get what? Let's see, these are at 9 5 94 plus 42 root 5 upon 4. Now look, the answer is what? Let's see, write 94 plus 42 root 5 upon 4. Now here we just simplify, we take 2 as common, so we take 2 as common, so we get what? So 47 plus 21 root 5 upon 4. Now 2 2 is 4, so we get as what? We get as what? 47 plus 21 root 5 upon 2. This is our required answer. Okay dear student, this is the process to convert to rationalizing the denominator of any that type of questions. Let's see once more time. First dear student, you write your question here. Now after that, for in the any rationalizing the denominator, this process, in that process we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Here the denominator is 7 minus 3 root 5, so its conjugate is what? 7 plus 3 root 5. Now dear students, we must be multiplying both the numerator and denominator by its conjugate, so we get this. Now after simplify that expressions, we get our result as this. So this is the whole process to solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on rationalizing the denominator. There, let's see dear students. The question is, if both a and b rational numbers, if both a and b rational number, find the values of a and b in each of the following equalities. In each of the following equalities. First part of this question is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3 and second part of this question is 5 plus root 3 root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 15. Dear students, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so please concentrate that type of question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the first part of this question. Dear student, we have, first of all we write, we have, what we have, dear student? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now in the same as previous question, we must be multiply both. Now first of all we rationalize the denominator of their LHS, left hand side. So for that we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of root 3 minus 1. So we get what? Let's see, root 3 minus 1 upon into root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, and we write a plus b root 3 as it is. Now look, what I do, we must be multiply here, both are same, so we write as root 3 minus 1 whole square. In denominator we get as a square minus b square, because of this is the a plus b into a minus b, na? And here we write a plus b root 3 as it is. Now look, we write as, we express that a minus b whole square, so we get a square plus b square minus 2ab upon this is a square minus b square, so we write 3 minus 1 and we write a plus b root 3 as it is. Now look, we simplify them, we get as 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1 as 2 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now what I get, dear student, we get as 3 1 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2 is equal to a plus b root 3. Here 2 is take common, so 2 here we get 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now let's see, we have, dear student, v 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now we write as, let's see, plus minus 1 into root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now on comparing both sides, we get as a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. Coefficient of root 3 is minus 1, na? So b is equal to minus. So this is our final answer. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 1. So dear students, we solve that type of question in this way. First, in the same way, we must be multiply both the rationalizing the denominator of the left hand side. After simplifying that, we get this, and after we arrange that value in, we write 2 minus root 3 as 2 plus minus 1 root 3 is equal to a plus 3 root 3. Now on comparing both sides, we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So this is our required answer. In the same way, we solve the second part of this question. Okay, dear students, now we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see, dear students. Second part is, we have, first of all we write, we have, what we have, root 5 plus root 3 upon is equal to this. Now look, dear student, we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by now we are rationalizing them, we get what? Let's see, here denominator is minus root 5 minus root 3, so we must multiply by minus root 5 plus root 3 and plus 5 plus root 3. Okay, denominator, conjugate of denominator is this, na? So and we write a plus b root 15 as it is. Now look, what I do, dear students, we write as root 5 plus root 3 whole square upon, here we write a square, a plus b minus b, so we write a square minus b square, and here we write a plus b root 15. Now we get as what, a square plus b square means what, 3 plus 2ab means 2 into root 5 3 is a 15 upon, in denominator we get as 5 minus 3. Okay, now we get as a plus, we write a plus b root 15 as it is. Now look, we have what, let's see, here we take 5 3 what, 8 plus 2 root 15 upon, in denominator we get as 5 minus 3 as 2, and we write right hand side a plus b root 5 8 is it as it is. Now from the in numerator we take 2 as common, so we get 4 plus root 15, okay, upon 2 is equal to a plus b root 15. Now look here, 2 cancel to each other, dear students, and what I get, we get as 4 plus, we write root 15 as 1 into root 15 is equal to a plus b root 15. Okay, now look, on comparing, dear students, on comparing both sides, we get what, a is equal to 4, and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1, because of here, let's see, the coefficient of root 15 is 1 na, or here the coefficient of 15 is b, so here b is equal to what, 1, and a is equal to what, 4. So this is our required answer. So thus, dear student, this is the method to rationalize that type of question and to evaluate the value of a and b. Dear student, let's see once more time. Dear student, in that type of question, okay, first you write the given question. After that, in left hand side, we rationalizing them. In going to rationalize the given fraction, first of all, we must be multiply both the numerator as well as denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Okay, this is the process now, dear students. And here look, the conjugate of its denominator is what? Here the denominator is root 5 minus root 3 na. So their conjugate will be what? Root 5 plus root 3. So we must be multiply in both the numerator and denominator by its conjugate, that is root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Now in numerator, let's see, a plus b, same form, so we write root 5 plus root 3 whole square, and in denominator a minus b into a plus b, so we write a square minus b square, and in right hand side we write a plus b root 15 as it is. Okay, now look, here we express them on identity a plus b whole square. A square plus b square means root 5 square 5, root 3 square 3 plus 2ab, 2 into root 5 into root 3 into, it means root 15. Or in denominator here a square minus b square, a square means 5 because of root 5 na, root 5 square is 5, root 3 square is 3. Now look, here we get 5 3 8 plus 2 root 15, 5 minus 3 as 2 is equal to a plus b root 15. Now in numerator we take 2 as common, so we get 4 plus root 15 upon 2, and in that RHS we write as it is. Here 2 cancel to each other. Now look what I get, 5 plus, we write root 15 as 1 into root 15 is equal to a plus b root 15. Okay, now after that we comparing both sides. We get a is equal to 4 and the coefficient of 15 as b, and here is 1, so b is equal to 1. So the answer or the values of a and b are 4 and 1. So dear students, in this way today we discuss about the topic rationalization, and we solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise. First, dear student, you revise all the topic which we discussed in that class. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on rationalization. So first you revise them and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay. Thank you.